Gray water is wastewater from tubs and showers, bathroom sinks, and washing machines. Rural residents often ask about reusing gray water. Usually they are thinking about using wastewater from their washing machine for watering their yards and lawns. They may have heard of or seen gray water irrigation systems being used in other states. Gray water irrigation systems are practical, both environmentally and economically, in states with limited and expensive drinking water resources. Irrigating with treated gray water reduces the demand on limited drinking water supplies and beneficially reuses a waste product. By the way, purple water distribution system components such as these indicate the system is distributing treated gray water, not water of drinking water quality. Rural residents in Nebraska wonder if gray water reuse can decrease the demand on their private drinking water wells and reduce the load to their septic systems. While using gray water for irrigation may seem like a great idea, legal and safe gray water reuse is not as simple as bypassing the septic system. Studies show there are a variety of contaminants in laundry, wash water, and rinse water, including potentially harmful bacteria and viruses. To reduce the risk to the environment and human health, gray water must be treated before it can be used for irrigation. Treatment includes filtration and disinfection. In Nebraska, gray water systems must be designed by an engineer. The engineered designs must be approved and permitted by the Nebraska Department of Environmental Quality. In addition, the system must be allowed and approved by local codes. Legal engineered surface gray water irrigation systems are complicated. This is an example of a typical gray water sprinkler irrigation system. For a gray water reuse system, pre-treatment starts with a trash tank where large solids are removed by settling. An aerobic treatment unit might be used to improve the quality of the wastewater. The organic matter or strength of the wastewater is reduced here. A pump tank will transfer the wastewater to a filtering system where small particles are removed. Disinfection follows using either chlorination, ozonation, or ultraviolet light. Since reusing gray water for irrigation is not feasible during wet weather or winter months, a storage facility must be included to hold gray water when it cannot be applied for irrigation. This might be a lagoon or another option. A second pump tank and dosing system will move treated gray water to the sprinkler irrigation system for application. All of the system components require careful monitoring and maintenance. In summary, gray water irrigation systems in Nebraska must be designed by an engineer. Engineered designs must be permitted by the Nebraska Department of Environmental Quality and must be allowed by local codes. Systems must be monitored and maintained for proper operation. Without proper treatment, gray water carries bacteria and viruses that will cause health problems. This program was written by Sharon Skipton and narrated by Jan Hingstrom, both with the University of Nebraska Lincoln Extension.